Good morning students, welcome once again to my class, and this video is for class 5, and today we'll continue our chapter 20 anagrams of GK. So we have to complete the sentence with the highlighted word. उसको ही rearrange करके highlighted word को हमें नया word बनाना है, that is anagrams. So the first one is to be able to listen better, it is important to be silent. Silent we make by rearranging listen. So the next one is the British, we lured them, they ruled us. Now the third one is I could sit on the dash and fly without wings. So the answer is swing. Fourth, the Paul the waiter loves poetry so much that sometimes he serves dash instead of dish. Answer is verses. Verses instead of dish. Fifth, Elvis is gone but his music lives, है ना. एल्विस चला गया लेकिन उसका म्यूजिक जिंदा है. द सिक्स्थ वन, आई साउंड लाइक dash when I pronounce last two vowels together. So the answer is wolves. Wolves. Seventh, she tried and tried even though she felt tired. The sweat of hard work can never go waste. I am on the last plane to Nepal. I call my mum mummy. Mummy, है ना. Your name sounds cool, but what does it mean? She accepted the ring with a wide grin on her face. Grin, Grin. Now the 13th. To stay up late at night is not a wise thing to do. I drew a frog in my science notebook. It looked wider. There are at least dash ways to solve the riddle. So that there are at least three ways to solve the riddle pahelia. Now the next one is give it your best shot. Chapter number 21. So students, the answer to each of these questions is one of the 26 letters of the इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट. तो हमें इसमें से जो इंग्लिश के 26 हमारे लेटर्स होते हैं इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट के, उसमें से ही आंसर फिल करना है सेंटेंस को रीड करके. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज़ विच लेटर ऑफ द अल्फ़ाबेट कीप्स अस वेटिंग. मतलब कौन सा लेटर अल्फ़ाबेट का हमें वेटिंग मतलब वेट कराता है, इंतज़ार कराता है. सो द आंसर इज़ क्यू. क्यू आप जानते हैं ना, कतार, है ना, क्यू. सो सेकेंड वन इज़ विच लेटर ऑफ द अल्फ़ाबेट रिप्रेजेंट अस ऑल ऑफ अस. सो वी मतलब हम सब. सो वी which letter of the alphabet is a drink. So the answer is tea. चाय जो हम पीते हैं. Which letter of the alphabet is a body of salty water. That is C. um, which letter of the alphabet is a vegetable. And the answer is P. Matar, है ना, is a vegetable. Which letter of the alphabet is an exclamation. And the answer is O, है ना, exclamation. Which letter of alphabet wears spectacles. So the answer is I. हम ना आँखों पे चश्मा पहनते हैं ना, तो I is the letter of alphabet wears spectacles. Now which letter of the alphabet makes honey. कौन सा शब्द है जो honey बनाता है. honey कौन बनाता है. B. So the answer is B, letter B. Now the second one is find the letter that is common to all the four words in each row. And the first one is butter, uncle, saucer, thought. So which letter is common. That is U. U is common. Second, knock, cut, glass, exercise, children. So which letter is common in fourth. C. C is common in all these words. Now the third one is wings, gown, arrow, coward. And if you see, W is common in all four words. Now the fourth one, glass, paddle, blanket, shovel. So you can see L is common in all four words. Now the fifth one is voyage, gentle, bridge, door, So there is no common match in this four words. Now the C one is find the letter that appears twice in each of the three words. So the answer is E. In aeroplane, screen, Wednesday, in all three words E is common, and octagon, synonymous, corporate, O is common in all three words. दो बार है जो वर्ड जो लेटर दो बार है उसे फाइंड आउट करना है. सो इन द थर्ड वन prosper, secretary, interrupt. So R is common in three words. R जो तीनों में दो दो बार है. The fourth one is stretch, habitat, entertain. So T. T is the letter which is twice appears in three words. Now fifth convenient, grandson, nine. तो इसमें n अगर आप देखें तो तीनों वर्ड में n दो दो बार है. So the answer is n. Now this chapter is completed. Thank you.